I gotta just... Hey y'all, I am breaking YouTube rules right now. I am recording with my front camera. I don't care. I've been away from the camera way too long and I cannot look at the back of my phone right now. But if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to MamaSkye. If you're a loyal subscriber and you've been here from the beginning, make sure you like this video. If you enjoy the content, make sure you share it to your friends. But today, what I'm gonna be doing is a hair mask. I just took down a protective style that I honestly probably did not keep in long enough, but it wasn't for me, you know? So today I'm gonna be doing a moisturizing, protein building hair mask on myself using 3 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen, in your refrigerator or pantry. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Hit the bell if you want notifications when I'm posting again, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. Okay y'all, so we have moved to the kitchen and I have my ingredients laid out. As you can see, I have 2 ripe avocados, this honey I got from the dollar store, and this coconut oil. So these are going to be the 3 ingredients. The purpose of the honey is to add moisture, and it's also great for adding shine to your hair, making it look a lot healthier. Make sure you get something that says coconut oil as the only ingredient. You don't want to put a bunch of extra unnecessary additives into your hair, but coconut oil obviously also adds shine. Avocado is very helpful to the hair. It's an anti-inflammatory, so it nourishes your scalp, and it's also going to add moisture from its natural oils. 3 essential items for making this mask. You're going to need a nice bowl to mix your mask in. Secondly, you're going to want to have something to mash up the avocados. Lastly, this is the razzle dazzle, but if you have an electronic blender that you can use, you can get the solution really... This can help get the mask really creamy before you put it in your hair so you don't have any chunks. At this point in the video, I'm just cutting up my avocados and getting their insides scooped into that bowl along with my honey and coconut oil. And I decided that I'm going to call this my 4-3-2 hair mask recipe because I use 4 avocado halves, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay y'all, now we're ready to mash. I don't typically work with avocado, but it did take me quite a bit of elbow grease to get it mashed up to the consistency I wanted it. And I definitely needed the electronic hand blender, and this is just how it looked when I was done blending it. Okay, now if y'all have made it this far, then you know what time it is in the video. I'm about to apply the mask to my hair. Just to be completely transparent, y'all know I'm not gonna lie. My hair is not really fully detangled. It's not detangled. So this mask will be going on technically non-detangled hair, but it looks so pretty. Like, the definition I'm getting from this deep condition is giving. I really wish I don't have to do my hair right now, but I do, just for the health of my hair. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle using that handy dandy ponytail holder, and now I'm gonna split this section in half. And I'm twisting off the first end because it's just gonna make it easier when I go to apply the mask. I'm gonna split this in half as well. I'm just gonna lightly mist my hair so I'm not applying the mask to completely dry hair. I believe that it works best when your hair is damp, so dampen that section, have some give to it. See y'all, like, it's not like tangled, but it's definitely not detangled at all. Oh my gosh. My hair is so much like buildup on it from the products used when I got the protective style and the deep conditioner, but y'all, to be honest, I rarely wash my deep conditioners out. I'll literally style my hair with the conditioner in it and act like it's leave-in. But hey, it's gotten me this far, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Take a nice little poom of this mask, and I'm just gonna apply it directly to my scalp and work it down the hair shaft. Whew. I'm making sure to get this mask on my scalp because I know that both the honey and the avocado have anti-inflammatory properties. And just after the trauma of a protective style, you want to make sure that your hair is getting, your scalp especially, is getting the nourishment that it needs. Connect-a-line hair can be very irritating to the scalp. Something I am seeing is little bitty chunks of avocado. So I did puree and get the mask as fine as I could. I would recommend, for those who do not any type of blender, invest in one, because you do not want big old clumps and chunks of avocado in your hair, especially if you're irresponsible like me and did not detangle first. That section's done. See, that was so quick and easy. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Dampening your hair just a little bit makes it a lot easier to work the mask in. And I'm just gonna twist this section off so I can keep it separate from the hair that has not yet received the mask. It's a closer look.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues.
This is the side of my head that I sleep on, so I'm having a harder time getting it to absorb that water. It just wants to roll off. I am about, I want to say 30-45 minutes into this process. It's going a little bit slower because I'm being very careful not to rip through any knots like this. Preferably, I would detangle them after the mask, or should have detangled them before the mask, but I'm just taking my time with my hair because I know the state that it's in right now, but overall it's going smoothly. And the water is definitely helping me get the slip with the mask. I don't think this would be possible without doing it on damp hair.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Now I'm just taking the excess and adding it in because we don't let stuff go to waste around here. And I want to make sure I really get my scalp. There was one part of my scalp over here that felt really, really irritated when I was putting the mask on it. So I think that I'm just going to make sure I get my whole scalp really good, and I'm just rubbing this in like a deep conditioner. Whew, it feels good. Okay, she go. Okay, she go. I see you. Who said our hair can't grow? Who said our hair don't grow? I just gotta let the hair do this thing. Okay, you guys, the mask is fully applied to my hair. It's time for me to let this really penetrate my hair shaft and my scalp. So I'm gonna put a plastic bag on my head for deep conditioning because I do not buy shower caps. I have too many plastic bags at home. Ask anybody, I got too many plastic bags. So I'm going to just really let this penetrate my hair. I'm gonna set a timer for 25 minutes. And in that time, I'm going to be preparing to wash it out. See y'all in a second. Guys, it has been about 20-25 minutes and I'm ready to rinse this mask off of my hair. First I'm gonna rinse it and then I'm gonna go in with my Power Green shampoo by Shea Moisture. You all have seen me use this before. I think it'll be just really clarifying for my hair and scalp. I'm gonna thoroughly clean my hair, but I feel like it has had the opportunity to reap the benefits of the mask, so it's safe to wash out. And my hair does need to be washed with shampoo. Okay, y'all, so I fully rinsed the mask out. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Power Green shampoo and really get the food debris out of my hair. If you look at my hair right now, this is the #1 reason why you want to get that puree as smooth as possible, because I definitely have a bunch of avocado bits in my hair and I'm gonna do my best to get out. I lost the footage, unfortunately, but I did just finish up shampooing my hair. But I can already tell, like, you all, my hair is like so much shinier. It's giving body, it's giving very much curl. Compare this to what my hair usually looks like after a wash. It's so much livelier. Before I rinse the avocado out, I can see the shine. I can feel a textural difference when I was washing my hair. From when I was putting the mask in, it just feels a lot more moisturized and healthier. So I definitely will be repeating this mask and making sure that it's in my hair care routine. As you can see, another occupational hazard. I lost the lashes, y'all. I lost the lashes, a little bit of the eyebrow is gone, but hey, this is the real. Y'all want the real? This is the real. As you can see, there are still little tiny bits of avocado in my hair. I'm honestly not thrilled about it, but it's, you know, occupational hazard. So I'm gonna do my best to get the rest of the avocado out of my hair. I feel like a lot is probably gonna come out when I actually detangle my hair. I'm gonna put more conditioner on my hair now, deep condition, and when I detangle, I think I'll get the rest of the avocado out. If you enjoyed this video, if you see yourself using this mask, if you'd like for me to try out other hair mask recipes, please let me know down below in the comments. Again, if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe for more natural hair content. Thank you all, and see you next time. Ew, do y'all hear that? Yuck.